Welcome to YI Toolbox. Hi everyone, it's great to have you here. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. How to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, have fun conversations, or explore AI right at your fingertips, this guide will walk you through it step by step. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. What if you could chat with a powerful AI right from your WhatsApp? Now you can. OpenAI's ChatGPT is here to revolutionize your messaging experience. No more switching apps or opening websites. ChatGPT is now seamlessly integrated into WhatsApp, making it easier than ever to access. Getting started is a breeze. Just scan a QR code from OpenAI's website and you're instantly connected to ChatGPT on WhatsApp. But wait, how do you know it's the real ChatGPT? Look for the blue verification badge and the official phone number, 1-800-242-8478. Once verified, you can start chatting just like you would with a friend. Type your questions and ChatGPT responds almost instantly. Whether you need help with writing, answers to questions, or general information, ChatGPT is ready to assist you on WhatsApp. However, keep in mind that you can't link your paid ChatGPT Plus account to WhatsApp. The integration is free, but has daily message limits. If you reach the message limit, you'll get a notification. For more extensive use, you can always switch to the ChatGPT app or website. The WhatsApp version uses the GPT-4o mini model, ensuring efficient and accurate interactions, though slightly scaled down from the full GPT-4 model. This free and simple integration is perfect for casual users or anyone looking to experiment with AI tools. ChatGPT on WhatsApp is a game changer. This free and simple integration is perfect for casual users or anyone looking to experiment with AI tools. ChatGPT on WhatsApp is a game changer. This free and simple integration is perfect for casual users or anyone looking to experiment with AI tools. ChatGPT on WhatsApp is a game changer. Thank you for watching and see you next time on YAI Toolbox.